Oh, what's up?
Yeah.
What's the name of this place next? Sonoma State Beach? Something like that?
Some shit like that.
It's like 40 some degrees in the water and these motherfuckers are swimming. Fuck that. Coming close. Look at mine, it's hella cold. Stupid. Mercedes and Chang. Chang was just in there too. Weird. Sadie said no. Should we go close? Fuck it. You guys wanna feel how cold this water is? Feel it. Feel it. Oh, it's so cold. Fuck. Look at Chang, it's hella cold.
My shit is weak.
I have the biggest wiener here right now, dog. Everyone's just stuck up.
He always does. What are you talking about?
Dang, oh, it ain't getting me. It ain't getting me.
Oh.
Look at mine. How cold is it? How cold is it out there, sir?
My balls are shriveled up.
That's how cold it is. Hella cold. Look at John. John got.
Mouthful of salt water. That shit tasted delicious.
Awesome. Let's walk back. Let's walk back. We are all walking back. You went out there like Muay Thai, big boom, boom times. I don't know how many times that is, but it's like 4.
Hella times.
Sadie's been in the most.
What?
In the water.
It's hella cold.
It's hella cold. Nathan Cyphers has fear.
I do what I want.
Look at them. They're not scared of the ocean, but they still have fear. I'm the real one that has no fear. I tried to jump in, but the ocean moved because it fears me. That's what happened. That's the reason I'm not in there. That's right.
Oh, fear.
None.
None. Guaranteed nobody will dive into a wave. Fuck no. I'll drown. You got fear?
No, I have no fear. It's the waves out there. The waves. Hella big. Look at the wave. Hella big. Oh. I'll take another video when y'all come back. Look at that shit. Margins and weenies. Alright. Come back in a minute.